Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store problem in iPhone and iPad in iOS 14, iOS 15, iOS 15.1 and also iOS 15.1.1. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to check your internet connection. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Then go to settings and enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Now we go for solution number 2. Launch settings. Tap on mobile or cellular data and scroll down, and under mobile or cellular data make sure that App Store is enabled. Now we go for solution number 3. Check your date and time. To check that, first we have to go to settings, then tap on general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Now we go for solution number 4. Launch settings. Tap on your profile name and sign out Apple ID. After sign out, force close the settings and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Finally, we go for solution number 5. Reset network settings. First we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on general. Here we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.